All right, fellas, welcome to another episode of the Bubby Boys. Okay, we're gonna do some fun experiment today with some Skittles and some water and some white plates. You ready?
Yeah!
All right, so this one is called the Rainbow Ferris Wheel, okay?
Wow.
So we're gonna do some fun stuff with these Skittles. All you guys are gonna need for this one at home is some rainbow candy, a plate, and some water. All right, you guys ready to rock and roll and get this thing started?
Yeah!
All right.
I have one question.
What?
Can we eat the Skittles after the experiment?
If you would like, perhaps.
I would
You would like to? All right, cool. So you guys can get some Skittles after the experiment. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is get that pack opened up, guys, and take out about 10 to 12 rainbow candies.
I'm gonna take out 10.
All right, take out 12. We got another pack. Don't be trying to conserve it for your eating needs.
I think that might be more than 12.
Yes. Should we overdo it and do more than 12?
Yes.
Well, let's stick to the rules first and then we'll break the rules second. All right, so spread them out in a circle, but different colors next to each other, okay? Okay, so we got our circle rainbows on the plate. You guys ready to see what happens when we put the water in there?
Yeah!
Okay, so what's it call for us to do next?
So we're going to pour 30 milliliters of water in the middle of the plate. The height of the water surface is consistent with the height of the rainbow sugar.
Okay, help.
I think I got 30 milliliters here.
All right, so let's do Ari's plate first.
I'm gonna do mine now.
Hold on, Aiden, let's see how this one goes.
Ding ding! I found through the nasties
Okay, all right.
and through the nasties.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's a bathroom.
It's a rainbow.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
wow. It's purple and mama.
How is that supposed?
It's a rainbow. Patience, you have to learn patience, my friend. That way we can know if we can load yours up or not. So we've got a rainbow. Wow, super cool. Look at that, Ari.
Oh, wow.
Man, it really did make a rainbow, didn't it?
So,
Aiden, you have a hypothesis?
I have a hypothesis.
Okay, what is your hypothesis, sir?
The more Skittles we add, the more rainbow we get.
Oh,
So I'm gonna try and add some more Skittles to mine.
all right, add some more Skittles. Make sure you put them around there in a perfect circle. All right, so Aiden is loading up on Skittles. All right, man, so you got about 50 Skittles ready to go.
Yeah, I think.
All right, Aiden, so let's drop your water. You broke all the rules of the experiment. You have too many Skittles. Let's see what happens.
So let's wait for a little. I'm seeing the colors starting to appear. I think I might need a little more water. Wait, color's starting to appear. So my hypothesis was right. More Skittles, the more color.
It looks like it.
Wow, that looks cool. So when it comes to, so what I learned with this experiment, when it comes to Skittles, you must break the Skittle experiment rule. If you want something to look good, you must break the Skittle experiment rule.
Oh, okay.
That's what I've learned from today. Oh.
Wow, yours is looking super cool too.
Oh my goodness, our Skittle rings.
Do you have enough water for yours to go in like ours?
I think I might need some more water. Whoa.
Just a little more. Keep going. Alright. Is it, if you put your hand in the middle, is there water there now?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
So it's starting to come up faster now.
Wow, Aiden, so yours is
Whoa.
really rainbowing.
Orange Skittles are starting to dissolve already.
That is super cool, man.
Wow, the orange of my Skittles are dissolving.
So you've got a real rainbow going on here.
Yeah, but my Skittle bottoms are dissolving, so they like don't have it anymore, so like it can't fill out much more because they're dissolving.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool guys, so that was pretty awesome rainbow experiment. What do you guys think of it?
1,000 bubbles, 1,000. We had 1,000 subscribers, it owes 1,000 bubbles.
Alright, cool. So you guys enjoyed it?
Yeah!
Alright, thank you guys for joining us for more fun science on Bubby Boys TV. We'll see you guys next time.
Wait, I see a little S in my rainbow. The Skittle has taken over and it has an S in there.
Whoa! Okay.
Oh, it really is. It's floating right in there, isn't it? Pretty cool. Hey, stop eating Skittles, man. Skittle Patrol. Skittle Patrol, man. Alright, bye. See you guys next time. Bye. Alright, say bye.
I want to eat Skittles now.
Alright, Skittle man. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, new videos every week.